So I think it's time to get rid of these old 5-year, 6-year-old Husky liner floor mats. We got some new floor mats today. We got some 3W Auto Life floor mats. We're gonna go ahead and unbox these real quick and I'll show you what they look like. And we're gonna go ahead and install them. Thank you 3W for sending me out these new floor mats. If you guys want a pair of floor mats, I'll put a link in the description so you guys can go ahead and check them out. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh. The two tones, got the silver and the black here. Now, I'm gonna compare it. We're gonna compare it real quick to the Husky liners here so you can see that they're actually quite a little bit longer as well, so they'll cover more of the carpet. I mean, look at the difference in terms of coloring. Those are way more faded from the sun. These actually look pretty decent, man. They actually look really good. So we're gonna go ahead and install this on the driver's side. I'll show you what that looks like. And then we'll do the passenger and we'll do the back seats. So let's go ahead and put these inside the driver side there. Holy cow, boys. There you guys go. That's the driver's side there. You can see the channeling from the weather. Obviously, with the snow, the mud, the water that gets in there, it has the channels and grooves. How does it fit? Really, really nice. Look how deep it goes behind, underneath the seat there as well. And like I said, the coloring is a lot better too. It's a full black and not the faded gray anymore. And it hugs really, really nice. Goes around the firewall, very, very deep inside, as you can see right there. Does give you that 3W Auto Life little decal there. That's the side there. It was folded inside the box, so we'll have to push that down. But let me show you back seat. As you can see, the back seat has those Husky liners, and we're gonna go ahead and take those out. We're gonna go ahead and put the back ones in. All right, let's take this out of the way of these. See if I can fix this real quick. All right, so these are the Husky liner, the back. As you can see, that it is all one piece. There's no two piece. Channel grooves here for the water. And then underneath this part right here is actually what's underneath the seat. So you don't see that, but I do like the way it has the underneath part. And we're gonna compare them to the 3W here. Obviously it's folded in the, I'll have to stand on it to make sure it's flat, but we're gonna install these channel grooves and water filtration all the way through the entire mat versus here it's just in the front. See over here it's all flat here, but these have the channeling throughout the entire mat, which is pretty nice. Let's go ahead and install it and see how it fits. All right, so we got the backs installed, and one thing off the rip, which was super interesting about the back floor mats here, is something you don't get the Huskies is look how it covers the entire side of the carpet as well. So it's not just the top of the carpet, it's covering the entire side of the carpet, always to the plastic trim, and even underneath through the side here, underneath the driver's side, through here, and then through the passenger side as well. But it was super interesting how it sounds like, wait a minute, what is going on here? And I checked it, like, oh, that is super neat, something that I've never seen before. Actually, you can see underneath here, goes super deep and goes up as well. Here, look, see how it goes up? Just covering every single square inch of this entire carpet. Like I said, the most important part about floor mats is to protect your carpet. But most floor mats, you know, when you look at it or when you buy them, they don't protect the entire carpet. And this actually, it was very interesting to see that it comes down so far and actually curves and covers the entire floor. So the top and the sides are covered by the floor mat. So let's go and check the passenger side now. All right, so here are the passenger floor mats. And this is the passenger old Husky liner. We're gonna go ahead and take these, compare them together. First thing off the rip, you'll notice right away, look at the lip on the 3W Auto Life versus the Huskies. The lip is extremely tall on the side. Like I said, just more coverage. It's also a lot longer as well, so it goes more underneath the seat for more coverage as well. So we're gonna go ahead and install these. Also, you look at the channeling as well. More channeling up underneath the firewall here. Sorry, on this one than this one. See the difference there. So let's go ahead and install these now. Look how they fit. Really, really nice fitting. Probably the best fitting I've ever seen. Like I said, it hugs the sidewall as much as possible. Even on the driver's side there, as much as possible. And the back seats there. And that's what you want out of a floor mat, man. Like I said, if you guys want one of these, link in the description down below. All right, folks, so there you guys go. Those are the new floor mats that we have on the 2020 F150 XLT Sport. If you guys want one of these floor mats, link in the description, like I said, down below. Go ahead and check them out. Thank you, 3W Auto Life, for sending me out these floor mats. Guys, let me know in the comment section what you want to see next done to this truck. We did do our, obviously, our bed liner cover here last time, but like I said, thank you so much for sending out these floor mats, and we'll check y'all in the next video. Peace.